I want to show you 5 quick steps that you can take right now. Okay, although I'm not able to take you through the entire protocol, but I want you to focus on these 5 steps, play back in this video, and actually use these 5 steps to renew your mind. Now, quick context here. Why would I get patients who are feeling stress, who are in chronic pain and chronic disease, to renew their mind? The Bible says that what truly contaminates the person is what comes out of your mouth, okay? Not really what you put in your mouth. Although food is medicine and I advocate for that and I teach that, I help patients that, I coach them through that. But what truly contaminates the patient more than anything is what comes out of your mouth. But what affects what comes out of your mouth? That's where the Bible also says that out of the overflow of your heart, your mouth speaks. Okay, and I know some of you guys go, hey, I'm not a Christian, but this applies to every human being. Okay, so don't matter where you're at, this technique of 5 steps will apply to you. So going back to the context again, out of the overflow of your heart, your mouth speaks. But now here's the question, here's the clutch. What affects your heart? That is the mind. What you focus on, what you renew your mind to focus on will affect your heart, and out of the overflow of the heart, the mouth speaks. So this is the truth, and I'm going to give you 5 steps that are based off this mind-heart-mouth linkage, okay, this connection. Now, first step, shift your attention to the left side of your chest, underneath your collarbone, okay, that's where your heart is. And then I want you to now breathe through that heart, 5 seconds in, 5 seconds out, okay, that's 1 cycle, do it about 3 cycles. And then I want you now to recall a time when you felt appreciated, loved, and felt gratitude. So think of that person, that moment that someone said that to you, recall the time. And now step number 4, I want you to think of that feeling of that moment in time in your heart, not in your shoulder, not in your allergy, not in your pain, not at work. Focus it on your heart. Okay, and lastly, I want you to hold that state for at least 5 minutes. Do it for maximum 20 minutes, minimum 5 minutes. Now, when you do that, I promise you, you would feel like you were in that space that you're not very used to, especially if you're someone who is really stressed, who keeps going and you're going at a really fast pace and you're not able to sit down and rethink about where you're at in life. This will train your mind to enhance the activity of your heart, and Institute of Heart Math has proven that heart rate variability improves just by doing this technique. So guys, if you're wondering how this even fits into your chronic pain picture, your chronic disease prognosis, I have a free consultation on Zoom every 2nd and 4th Saturday at 10 a.m. Okay, I will jump on every 10 a.m. on Saturdays, 2nd and 4th Saturdays of every month, and I will attend to your question, your specific chronic pain and chronic disease question. So join me there. I'll see you soon.